morning, children.
Good morning, madam.
So already మనం climate అనే లెసన్ కోసం డిస్కస్ చేశారు కదా. సో అందులో సబ్ టాపిక్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ రైన్ఫాల్. సో కంటెంట్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ మీకు నేను చెప్పడం అనేది జరిగింది. సో దానికి సంబంధించి వీడియో అనేది క్లిక్ చేస్తాను. వెంటనే అసెస్మెంట్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేయడం అనేది ఉంటుంది. మీ నాలెడ్జ్ మీద చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. రెడీయా చిల్డ్రన్?
Ready, madam.
Distribution of rainfall in India.
The average rainfall in India is about 125 centimeters, but it has great regional variations across the country. The highest annual rainfall of over 400 centimeters occurs annually in certain regions of the western coast. This beautiful story of rainfall continues in the northeastern India as well. The sub-Himalayan areas in the northeast and the hills of Meghalaya also receive an annual rainfall of over 400 centimeters. But as we move west from the northeastern states, the story of rain unfolds quite a different scene. In the western parts of Rajasthan and its adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab, the rainfall is less than 60 centimeters. It won't be a surprise even if it goes below 10 centimeters in some of these regions. That's very little rainfall, isn't it? Due to the scanty rainfall in parts of Rajasthan, people in these regions adopt different techniques to conserve water. But the story of inadequate rainfall doesn't end in the western parts of the country. If you move to Leh in the north, the regions in and around this place record very low precipitation annually. Also, the interior parts of the Deccan Plateau, especially the parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra, receive less than 50 centimeters of annual rainfall. The scanty rainfall continues in the eastern parts of the Sahyadri too. While rainfall is a common form of precipitation, be it heavy, moderate or scanty across the country, snowfall is restricted to the Himalayan region. Imagine, in a certain year, the monsoon is weak. This brings very less rainfall to the country. A year with very less rainfall will drift the regions with an already low rainfall into a tough situation. For example, the parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the leeward side of the Western Ghats are affected more with yearly rainfall variability. Similarly, a year of very little rainfall makes the dry land regions more prone to frequent droughts. This makes the lives of the people living in the low rainfall areas more difficult. Areas with excessive rainfall are prone to floods because the excessive water leads to an overflow of rivers. For example, parts of Assam, Uttarakhand, Kerala and Tamil Nadu face serious floods due to very high rainfall.
So my dear children, so assessment will be conducted. Now, are you ready, my dear children?
Yes, madam.
ठीक है सर. A, B, C, D ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్. మల్టిపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి సార్. రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది చూస్ చేసుకొని చిల్డ్రన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తారు సార్.
Okay, but good. Better.
What is the average annual rainfall in India? Okay, start. Also change. Completed?
నేను నొక్కలేదు.
says doing right answer.
39% students were correct.
Students.
125 centimeters. Right answer.
Next. Which regions of India receive an annual rainfall of 400 centimeters? Okay, ready, start. Options.
అయిపోయిందమ్మా?
Completed, sir?
ఆ. అయిందా లేదా కరే
32%. రెడ్ మార్క్ లో ఉన్నవన్నీ కూడాను రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్.
Yeah.
గ్రీన్ కలర్.
యా
Next. In India, snowfall is primarily related to which region? Okay, start.
కరే
54%. First, Gulivindula Soumyasri. 0
ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్
seconds.
ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది తర్వాత సబ్మిట్ లాస్ట్
What is the likely impact of region which already low rainfall during a year when the monsoon is weak? Okay. Options given.
ఓకే కరే
టాప్ 10 పర్ఫార్మర్స్ ఎవరన్నా అయిపోయింది కదా క్వశ్చన్
అయిపోయింది.
అయిపోయింది.